What's up, fam? It's your girl CC back with another video. If you're new to the channel, I hope you see something today that inspires you to subscribe. If you're already a member of the family, welcome back, fam. Today's video is a little bit different. Your girl drove all the way from North Carolina to Texas. So with that being said, let's get into the video. Ooh, y'all can't see me, but I'm on the road.
I'm not. He's in the backseat.
Saying bye to babe. Doing our last, we call them car chats because we just be in the car talking. But yeah, it is 6:30 in the morning and we are on our way. Kicking off this, what you call it? Kicking off this road trip to Houston, y'all. So let's go. All right, y'all, so it is daylight. You can finally see me. We have made it to our first supercharging station, which is Kinston. I didn't have to stop here. I just did because we got to go to the service center. My car has been making like a funny noise, and so I figured I would get it fixed before I get on the road. Hopefully it's fixed in a timely manner and I can get on the road and get to our first stop early, but we'll see. I'm at their mercy. So yeah, got babe on the phone.
Hey, y'all.
And yeah, so we just charging up here and then we'll be on to the service station. So all right, y'all, so we have made it to the Tesla service center, and they are saying my car will probably not be ready until 5 or 6 tonight. So fingers crossed we get it done a little bit earlier. And yeah, I'm about to figure out what I'm gonna do with my day with no car. So I'll be back. All right, y'all, so my sis came and got me, rescued me from the Tesla dealership. And now we have some feminine maintenance appointments, so I'm going to get a wax, and then I don't know what else we're getting into for today, but we finna get into it. So yeah, it's good to have friends all over the place. So thanks to Kia.
You welcome, boo. I'm here for you.
All right, y'all, see, I'm gonna get back. Peace. All right, y'all, so we have made it to Florence, South Carolina. I know I didn't see y'all earlier when I got in the car, but Tesla had made me mad. That's a story for tomorrow's journey, so remind me to tell y'all about my situation at Tesla. But I did not get on the road until like 5:30, 6 o'clock. The first stop was Sheetz. Now we are in Florence, South Carolina at Buc-ee's. So I'm about to go in, give me a sandwich while the car is charging, and then I'll be back. So yeah. Good morning, beautiful people. We made it to Georgia. And I spent the night at my best friend's house. She back there. She's not camera ready, so she probably won't say hey to y'all. But but I just wanted to come say hey, let y'all know we made it. We got in Georgia at like 3:30 this morning.
I need a theme song.
But yeah, you need a theme song? Yeah. Y'all see my new guy, baby? Say hi, Kiyomi. Say good morning. Say good morning, mamas. My best friend is such an arts and craftsy person. It's gorgeous. And then y'all say good morning to my goddaughter, Ava. You say hey to the people. All right, y'all, we about to get our morning routine going. I will see y'all when we back on the road. I'm about to spend some time with my loved ones because I don't get to see them often. Y'all know how it go. I'll see y'all in a little bit. All right, y'all, so let's talk. Let's get into the nitty gritty. I am in Georgia charging. I actually have enough juice to make it to Alabama, but I'm gonna just let it charge a little bit more and talk to y'all. So yesterday, dropped my car off at Tesla, 9:30 a.m. My car has been squeaking. It's been squeaking for like 2 months, but I said, you know what? I'm getting on the road. Babe was like, take your car in, get it fixed before you get on the road. I'm like, okay, cool. Take my car in. They sent the estimate. Like with Tesla, they give you an estimate before you even drop off your car, based on, you know, what they think is the problem. Cool, no problem. Now, my car was squeaking a couple of months ago, maybe like 6 months ago on the left-hand side. So I took it in to have that fixed. The right-hand side just started squeaking like 2 or 3 months ago, maybe 2 months ago. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna get it fixed before I get on the road. No problem. So they sent the estimate. I approved the estimate. I got there. They were like, oh, someone's going to ride in a car with you so you can tell them what the noise is. Like, so you can explain to them what the noise is. They can see the noise. Nobody rode in the car with me. They were just like, it's fine. Just drop it off. Okay. Then they were like, oh, it might be ready by 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock? I'm trying to be on the road by like 2. But okay. So they close at 5, mind you. They close at 5. So at 5, like 5:10 or like 4:55, 5:10, I get a phone call. Mind you, at this point, they have already went up on my estimate. It's doubled. And I'm like, okay, cool, whatever. Like, I need my car. I gotta go. Just fix the problem. So they're like, oh, it's still a little squeaking. We fixed something like safety wise, but yeah, you can still hear a little bit of squeaking, but you could do a test drive when you get here. I said, okay, I'm on my way to get my car. They had sent the 3rd estimate, and I was like, is this necessary? They were like, oh, if you approve the 3rd estimate, you can't get your car. Like, you would have to leave your car with us until we can fix it. I got to get on the road. So I'm like, okay, is it safe to drive? They were like, yeah, it's safe to drive. I'm like, okay, cool. So he was like, you shouldn't hear very much squeaking. It comes and it'll come and it'll go. It's the arm that needs to be replaced. You had it replaced on the left-hand side. Now, if I told you my car was squeaking just like it was on the left-hand side, why would you fix something other than what you did last time? I don't speak car, so to me that just makes sense. If it's doing the same exact thing it was doing on the left-hand side, on the right-hand side, shouldn't we fix on the right-hand side what we fix on the left-hand side? Because that fixed the squeaking. I don't know. So anyway, I pick up my car. That was like at 5:30. I'm finally getting on the road. Thank goodness that I had my friend Takia in Raleigh, and I was able to spend the day with her. Because if not, I would have been sitting in the service center all day because they no longer do Uber credits. My car sounds worse than it did when I dropped it off. And you had my car all day. So you had my car all day, which means I was late getting on the road, which means I didn't get to Georgia until 3 a.m. Thank God for friends. Like, when I tell you the military is the gift that keeps on giving, it has put some very amazing people in my life. But this best friend I served with in the Navy, so her name is Asia. I didn't get her on camera, but I will insert a picture of me and Asia right here. She's gonna kill me, you guys. If she ever watches this video, she watches some videos, not all of them, and I'm cool with that. But if she ever sees it, she's gonna kill me. Yeah, so I got in at 3 a.m. here, and which meant like it was strictly go to sleep, wake up, get back on the road. So here I am back on the road, but you already know, babe, it's like I'm calling Tesla today. I'm like, yeah, because this is ridiculous, and I still, when I get to Texas, have to have my car fixed. I paid a lot of money for nothing. Like, nothing is fixed, and I don't get on here complaining often, but yeah. So anywho, we are at the Peachtree charger. I'm sitting at 271 miles. I need to go 177 miles, so we have enough charge to get to where we need to get to. So with that being said, it's 9 o'clock in the morning. I'm about to get on the road because it looks like we won't be getting to Texas until 11 o'clock tonight, which is fine. It's fine. It's better than 3 a.m. It's fine. So word to the wise, while I love my car, it does have its ups and downs. Like, it does have its ups and downs. And when on a long road trip, you cannot be in a hurry in a Tesla because you have to stop and charge. Some people find it annoying. I find it refreshing because I have the opportunity to like really stop, reset, rest if I need to, use the bathroom if I need to, and not just keep laser focused. I didn't use full self-driving last night. I did use my cruise control just to set the pace, because it's very easy to go very fast in this car very quickly. So just to, you know, make sure we don't spend no extra money on this trip that we weren't intending to spend, we kept the cruise control on, and that got us here. So yeah, I'm grateful for my friends. Shout out to y'all for coming through for your girl in the clutch. Oh, and for those of you who have been following me on Instagram and sent me prayers and messaged me along the way, I've been responding to all of you guys, but I want to say here, thank you so much. Like, I'm so grateful for this community. I'm so grateful for my subscribers. Like, you guys are really family. Like, I really rock with y'all, and y'all clearly really rock with me, so I'm appreciative. So yeah, let's get on the road, y'all. So we have made it to Greenville, Alabama, but as you can see, or maybe you can't, as you can see, it's raining. Cracker Barrel is actually behind me. I just came out of there using the restroom, and I thought I would share some tips for y'all when driving an EV or a Tesla per se. So what I do, especially because I'm traveling alone, is I try to drive in the daytime as much as possible. But so like, it's mapped out to my sister's house. I won't show y'all her address, but it's mapped out to my sister's house. But it tells you what charging stations to charge at and how long to charge there for, or how long you will need to charge there for. You can go over if you want. Sometimes I do, just depending on like what station it is and if I want to do something at that station. But I always check the Google reviews to see, like, okay, especially when I'm by myself, like, okay, what parking lot is it in exactly? Because sometimes it could be a little tricky. Or what do they have in the area that I maybe can find to eat or use the bathroom or something like that. So that's what I do as a solo female traveler driving a EV. It's research. Make sure you know your surroundings, and yeah, you should be good. And always, I share my location with certain people, so they always know where I am. And then D can track my car in the app, so he always knows like when I'm moving, when I'm charging, and all of those things. So yeah, just safety precautions if you're thinking about taking a road trip by yourself. I have enjoyed the quiet, honestly. And the only snacks that I've really touched out of my whole snack bag, I know it looks a mess, is I dabbled in my licorice, but I didn't even finish that. I had some pumpkin seeds in the gum, and that's pretty much it. I'm not hungry right now. I just want a snack, so I think I'm gonna eat some popcorn and drink some water probably, and then we should be done charging here in the next 10 minutes, and then I'll be on my way. So I'll get something to eat at the next supercharging station. So I'll see y'all when we get there. All right, y'all, so we have made it to Mobile, Alabama, but we got us some food before we came to the charging station. And it was only one other car here that's still here, so that's good. That means my car will charge a little bit faster. Another thing that I did not mention in my tips before is to check and see how many cars are at the stalls before you get there, because that'll kind of give you like a good idea of how busy that charging station is, especially at night if you're charging by yourself. Like, typically in the daytime I don't care how many cars are there, but at nighttime I like to see some other cars there, because I don't want to be plugged up charging by myself. So that's a little tip for y'all as well. Got Babe on the phone. You say hey to the people?
Hey, people. Y'all better take good care of her.
I don't know if y'all can see him, but yes, I'm just about to eat while we charge. And we'll be able to continue our trip in 25 minutes. I'll see y'all when something happens or when we get to the next charging station. Peace. We are at our very last charging station before we get to Houston, Texas. So we are in Iowa, Louisiana at Henry's Travel Plaza. It's just a big gas station in the middle of nowhere, literally. There's like 3 other Teslas here, but we got 2 hours and 42 minutes, 161 miles to go, and we are there. All right, you guys, so the big question, how much did it cost? It cost me approximately $125 to drive from North Carolina to Houston, Texas in my Tesla. I look forward to my time here. And with that being said, I will see you guys in the next video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Tell your mama them, tell your daddy them, tell your sister them, tell your brother them, tell your cousin them, tell your auntie them. Tell all of them that CC's World TV has some things going on over here and you don't want to miss it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace!